Guys, Joel Frank, market analyst for YouTrading, and in today's video we're going to be taking a quick look at an example of a trend channel breakout and how it played out this week. This is something that if you've been keeping up with my videos, you will have known happened. It is relating to the S&P 500. That's the example we're using today. Excuse me. The S&P 500 had, pretty much since the start of the year, been in an uptrend, which can be roughly defined by these sort of lines here, like this. This is a sort of short-term bullish trend that we were in, bolstered by, easing global liquidity conditions, a fairly decent start to the year for risk assets. Obviously, the market's expectations with regards to Fed tightening has shifted recently in a more hawkish direction. There's more concerns about an earnings recession, concerns about slowing. Well, actually, I mean, the US data has been pretty strong, but concerns that excessive Fed tightening might still send the US economy into recession at a later point this year. But, those are all the fundamental justifications for the move that we've had lower. But you can see here that what really happened was we had a breakout from this trend channel around here, and we fell below the 21-day moving average. And that basically meant that there was a significant deterioration in the S&P 500 near-term technical outlook. And as I called at the time, we fell back below 4,000 from around 4,100, and we're currently probing the 50-day moving average. Now, this is a very typical move that you would see when you have the formation of a trend channel like this. Then you get the breakout. Usually there's some kind of target level, which in this case, the first target we could say was 4,000. Usually you do get a push lower to that target level. And, just to continue with this example of the S&P 500, because there's some other interesting stuff going on as well that we might as well talk about. Looks like the index is testing a key uptrend that's been in place since the low of 2022. If it breaks below that and the 50-day moving average and the 200-day moving average, well, we're going to be talking about testing this 3,800 resistance area once again. Although it is worth noting that there is this downtrend from 2022, which could come in and start giving support in the 3,900 area. So, we're going to have to trade what we see here. If we find strong support at the 200-day moving average and the downtrend from 2022, and then a good bounce, that could be us pretty much forgetting about the uptrend, which I was just talking about from these lows, and actually trading more in line with a retest and a bounce from this trend line. And that would, of course, be bullish, and then you could potentially be talking about a retest of these highs. But this is one of those situations where we need to watch how things develop, and based on what kind of breakout we see, then start trading. Then come to a technical view, and then you can start implementing some trading strategies based upon that. But yeah, guys, hope you all found this video informative. Hope you all enjoyed it, and I will see you all in the next one.